Hi everyone, my name is Loya KH. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am with another vlog. Today I'll be talking to you about the pakora curry, one of the best Manipuri cuisine. Very honestly, I do not know how to make this pakora thongba, so I find out where to get it. We get pakora thongba in Bangalore and I just love it. And let me tell you where to get it. There's a place called Ijipura in Bangalore, and the shop is right next to the fish market. It's very small, very compact, and you get lots of things from Manipur. And the price of this pakora thongba is 30 rupees, and you have 4 pakoras in it. And why I'm making this vlog is for those people who do not know where to find pakora thongba, and for those who are newcomers and who love pakora thongba. So if you guys are pakora lovers, watch till the end. I'll share you my experience on how it tastes. So keep watching. I'll be eating with the normal cucumber along with the Manipuri spicy chutney, which has fermented fish, salt, and I have put a little bit of garlic because I like the taste, the smell of garlic. So let's make it quickly. Being a Manipuri, very honestly, we love to eat like spicy chutney. Basically we call it morog metpa with almost all the meals, right from lunch, brunch and dinner. And I'm living here from last 8 years, and I hope almost every day I had my dinner with morog metpa. And sometimes I carry ngari umrog achar to my office to complete my lunch as well. And it's so nice. It's so nice to have morog metpa along with your meals. And the chutney is almost done. Eating raw garlic is also a good thing for your health. It's ready. We need little gravy, so we need to take it from pakora thongba. Let me just quickly open. So as I said, if you are a newcomer Bangalore and you miss Manipuri food, you can go to Ijipura, ask anyone, fish market, and the shop is right next to the fish market. And I think nowadays it's so popular that you can generally go ask the Manipuri shop. I'm sure the people will know. Oh my god, it's too hot. Okay. Wow, I think the 2 packing should be enough because it's too much. I'll keep this for tomorrow. I'll just throw this and come back quick. This is not going to be very salad. It's just a normal cucumber, which is always good to have something on your plate. And since you are eating the spicy one, this will obviously help you reduce the spicy taste. And guys, let me tell you one more thing. Recently I have uploaded a video called Mimi Singju in Bangalore, and for the very first time that video crossed 1K views, which I am like truly excited for. And people have given 100 likes, basically more than 100 likes. So thank you so very much once again to you people for giving your valuable time to watch my video, and I'm so excited. I'm truly happy for that. So this is the rice, and let me just cut the cucumber. Okay, keep this aside for now. I mean, this is truly lots of pakora. And as I was saying, I need little bit of the gravy to put it on the chutney. I truly don't like very dry chutney. I believe chutney should be a little gravy, not very much gravy, little gravy. It's almost ready. Okay, now I'll click the pictures for chutney as well. It looks good. Let me just go keep this one. I would like to eat chutney with pudina because pudina is one of the best leaf that I always want to have. Let's start. I cannot wait. See, this is the pakora. It's too hot. Wait. This tastes really good. Let me try the pakora. You guys should try this pakora thongba for sure. It's so nice. I like the taste of garlic on chutney also. It's really nice. Don't forget to try it. So guys, thank you so very much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to share your comments, your feelings. And once you go there, eat, and just don't forget to share your opinion. How is the pakora thongba? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up.